students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about fractions. That is, we are going to see a new exercise, exercise 5b. So the first question here is, they are asking you to add the given number 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So in this particular question, you are having two fractions. So while you are adding two fractions, first you are going to check the denominator. So your denominator is same, that is you are having the number as 9, write that 9 as it is, and numerator you are going to add the number, that is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 and you are going to get the answer as 5 by 9. Next question, first you are going to check the denominator part. While you are checking the denominator part, the denominator is same. So write the denominator one time. You are having two fractions here, students. You are going to write the two fractions. In two fractions, you are going to check the denominator. So while you are checking the denominator is same. So you are going to write that number one time. That is 6. After writing, you are going to add the numerator. That is 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7, you are going to get the answer as 8 by 6. 8 by 6, you can even simplify the number. So if you check 8 by 6, these two numbers can be divided by 2. That is, while you are dividing by 2, you are going to get the answer as 4 by 3. Coming to the next question, if you see the denominator part, you are having three fractions here in this place. Three fractions. All these three fractions, denominator is common, that is 8. But if you check one of the fraction, it is in the form of mixed fraction. First, you are going to convert this mixed fraction into proper fractions. So what is the method of converting mixed fraction into a proper fraction? That is, first you are going to calculate this one. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. That is 15 by 8. 15 by 8 plus 11 by 8 plus 3 by 8. If you check the denominator part is same here, students. So write the denominator 8 as it is. Add the numbers at the top, that is 15 plus 11 plus 3. After adding, you are going to get the answer as 29 by 8. Similarly, the next question, 2 1 by 16 plus 3 5 by 12. First, I am going to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction here. So, what is the way of converting here is 16 into 2, you will get the value as 32. 32 plus 1, 33 by 16. Similarly, 12 into 3, 36. 36 plus 5, 41 by 12. Now, we are going to check the denominator here, students. While you are checking the denominator part, the denominator is different. That is 16 and 12. First, I am going to make the denominator same. So, what is the method of making the denominator same is, you are going to take the LCM. 16, 12, you are going to find the LCM. So, while you are finding the LCM, you are going to get the value like this. After, you will be calculating those things, and after multiplying all these numbers, you are going to get the value as 48. So, after getting 48, you have to make the denominator as 48. That is why I have done in the rough work. 33 by 16 into what if I divide and multiply, I will get the answer as, that is denominator part, I should get the value as 48. 16 into 3, 48. So top and bottom I am going to multiply by 3. 33 into 3, you are going to get the value as 99. Coming to this one, 41 by 12. 12 into what if I multiply, I will get the answer as 48. That is 12 4s are 48. So divide and multiply by 4. 41 into 4, you will get the answer as 164. So after getting this one, you are going to replace, that is 33 by 16 is converted to 99 by 48, and similarly 41 by 12 is converted to 164 by 48. So this is a way of converting. After converting, you are going to take the LCM. LCM, denominator part 48, 99 by 48, that is I am just converting this after simply taking LCM. You are getting the value as 48 students. So you are going to make the denominator part as 48. 99 by 48 plus 164 by 48. Denominator same 48. 99 plus 164, calculate. You will get the value as 263 divided by 48. Now you are going to convert this, if you want to convert this into mixed fraction. If you stop up to this, no problem. Or if you are going to convert your answer into mixed fraction, this is going to be the method. That is, you are going to just divide the value here, students. So while you are dividing, you are going to get a value like this, 48. That is 48. After dividing, you will be getting the remainder like this, 23, and 5 is going to be the quotient. This quotient value, you are going to write it in the middle part, and remainder you are going to write it in the top, and denominator will be as it is. Again, if you calculate this one, you will get the answer as 263 by 48. Coming to the next question, find the following. Same, instead of addition, you are going to have in the form of subtraction. So while you are subtracting, the same procedure, first convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. After converting, you are going to find the LCM here, students. So while you are finding the LCM, 4, 10, you are going to simplify. After finding LCM, you are going to find the value 20. Then take the number 13 by 4 and 27 by 10. Simplify. That is, you are going to make the denominator part as 20. 4 5s are 20, 10 2s are 20. After calculating, you are going to get the value like this, 11 by 20. And same way, this value also you are going to convert this into proper fraction. Cross multiply the term. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 11 by 8. You are going to get the answer as 53 by 8. Same way, you are going to try the remaining sums. What number should be added to 5 by 16 to get 1 3 by 8? So this is a question they are given you. So the question what they are explaining here is, they are asking you to find the number that should be added to 5 by 16 to get the answer 1 3 by 8. So we don't know what is the number or what is the fraction I am going to have here in this place. So I am going to take the number as x. Let the number be x. That is 5 by 16 plus x is equal to 1 3 by 8. That is 5 by 16. With 5 by 16, what if I multiply, I will get that is, if what if I add, I am going to get the answer as 1 3 by 8. So convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction first here, students. 11 by 8. Then bring this term fraction into this place. After bringing the fraction to this place, you are going to get the value as 11 by 8 minus 5 by 16. Make the denominator same by taking LCM. After making the denominator same, your final answer is going to be 17 by 16. So in this case, I am going to convert this into mixed fraction. So while you are converting this into mixed fraction, you are going to get the answer as 1 by 16. Therefore, the number is x is equal to 1 by 16. Coming to the next question, if you see the next question here in this place, they are asking you to simplify this particular value. So they are given you both addition and subtraction. So you have to be very careful while you are having different sign in this place here, students. First, convert the mixed fraction into proper fractions. That is 10 by 3 plus 37 by 9 minus 37 by 6. Just change the denominator. You are going to make the denominator same. That is 3, 9, 6. Make the denominator same. You are going to get the denominator as 18. After getting the denominator as 18, the top value you are going to simplify. That is 60 plus 74 minus 11. First, I am going to take the first two values. 60 plus 74. Add. You are going to get the answer as 134 minus 111 by 18. Calculate. You are going to get the answer as 23 by 18. This number 23 by 18 I am going to convert into mixed fraction, that is 1 5 by 18. So this is the way of doing the sum. Similarly, the next sum also you are having four fractions, that is the combination of mixed fraction. First you are going to convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. Make the denominators same here, students. So if you check the denominator, your denominator part, you are having it as, you are making the denominator same, 12. Calculate the value. After calculating, you are going to get the answer as 34 by 12. Simplify, that is, while you are dividing by 2 table, you are going to get the answer as 17 by 6. So this is a way of doing the calculation, students. And the next one here is find the value of. So same model, but what is the difference here is, you'll be having two signs near to each other, that is plus minus. In this case, first, so if you take this question, students, we are going to check the sign first. Plus into minus, minus. First you are going to convert the sign properly, and then you are going to simplify. The same procedure, you are going to check the denominator, take LCM. After simplifying, you are going to get the answer. Sometimes it can be a positive answer or it can be a negative answer. That is, for the final answer, what I am getting here is minus 73 by 200. So in this class, we have completed the sums based on fractions. That is how to add and subtract the fractions. If the denominator is same, you can easily simplify the value. If the denominator is not same, you are going to take LCM and then you are going to make the denominator same and find the answer, students. So write neatly in your classwork note, understand the concept. Thank you.